Hi, today we have a mouthwash dispenser. It comes with the charger and Type-C charge that you could charge here in the corner. It dispenses 100 millimeters, 200 or 300 millimeters. You can fill it out up from the top here is where you fill up with your mouthwash of your choice. It has a reservoir as well for overflow in case some of it drops off. It comes along with 2 cups that you can attach magnetically here. So easy to find when you next time to use the mouthwash. Also, they face downward, which allows them to dry. You can set the millimeters that you want to have each for each time. That's 100 millimeters, 200, or 300. You could set it up whichever one you want. And then you just place your cup, and it'll give you the indicator, which is 300 millimeters.
All right, one of the best things I like about this, it tells you how much it has left, all right? Very simple, easy to charge. We have our charging station here that we just plug it in. Whenever we need, it'll indicate automatically how much it requires. So very simple, easy for kids to use in all ages. I hope you guys enjoy the video.